Florida General Coating. This is not painted. This is not painted.
Oh, we see it.
You're painting houses on the lake.
Man, let's talk business.
Turn it off, talk business. All right, let's get to the money, baby. Get to the money, baby. Get to that money, huh? You finna go up there? Well, you gonna finish this, Patrick. What are those, Patrick? Today's a good day. I'm Greg, one half of RadfordHomes LLC, and my lovely and beautiful wife, well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. Mid-Florida Credit Union, let's do it, baby. But today, we're here at Mid-Florida Credit Union. And once again, we successfully cashed out a flip that we did. Went in, added value to a house. We fixed it up. We bought the house. Acquisition cost is at $40,000. Paid the wholesaler $3,000. Paid all closing costs. Paid all closing costs. We were out of pocket $45K for the house. We rehabbed the house at $25K. Today we're standing here cashing out refinancing for $53,000. No seasoning, folks. The appraisal came in at $106,000. You want to know more about that? You need to contact me at 863-410-0877.
We're in Florida, here at the site. 863-410-0877.
Salute all veterans. Rolling with Premier Dream Homes, Mooney. We're at his lake house. How y'all doing this morning? I'm Greg, and guess what? Let me do this right. Hi, I'm Greg, one half of RadfordHomes LLC. And my lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina, well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. But today is all about cash out refinance. What is cash out refinance? Well, I'm glad you asked. Well, we bought a property for $40,000 in December, and today we're picking up $53,000 from Mid-Florida Credit Union. You want to know more about that? Call me, 863-410-0877. Talk to you later. Salute all veterans.
No, don't do too much. I know how to. I also know that you go promotion again. I need you on safari, Kenya, man. I tell you what. You something else. I really need you, man. I'll pay for